Good morning, students. After learning the lesson Healthy Food, Healthy Body last week, I hope all of you are taking good care of your health and hygiene, following good habits, taking healthy food, and staying away from the junk food to become stronger. This will help you to fight against Corona, our enemy. So, let us move on to the exercises now. Take out page number 36. See this question. Count and write the number of glasses of the following you drink in a day. Milk. Children, how many glasses of milk are you taking every day? 2 glasses. So write here 2. Water. How many glasses of water you must take every day? 5 glasses of water. And an adult should take 8 glasses of water every day. Do you know that? Cold drinks? No, not at all. Cold drinks are not good for your health. They are junk food. So, you should not take them. So, put a cross here. Now comes juice. Yes, juice is good for your health. So, you might take 2 glasses of juice every day. Now take out page number 33. This is an important line you should underline. It may come under true, false or fill up. This question can come. Eating fruits is healthier than having fruit juice. Means both are good. Fruit juice and fruits both are good for your health, but fruits are much better as compared to fruit juice. Clear? Because fruits have roughage in them, and fruit juice is only the juice of the fruits. It doesn't have roughage. Roughage is removed when we take out the juice from the fruit. Clear? Now see the exercise on page number 37. Page number 37 you all have to take out. I hope you all have taken out page number 37. Now, I'll read out and tell you the answers also. First question is fill in the blanks. Food gives us dash to work and play. What does food give us? Did you read the lesson last week once again? If you have read, you will be able to answer the question. Tell me quick. Energy. Yes, food gives us energy to work and play. Next one is we get food from dash and dash. Where do we get food from? Plants and animals. Plants and animals. Spelling Plants. Plants. Animals. Animals. Children, you need to pay attention on the spellings. If you will write the wrong spellings in your exams or class tests, you won't be getting any marks. So, you will not be allotted any marks. So, it's better to learn the spellings. Next one is dash and dash are rich in carbohydrates. So, rice and sugar. Rice and sugar. So, R-I-C-E, rice. S-U-G-A-R, sugar. Fourth one is dash food protects us from falling ill. Which kind of food protects us from falling ill? 3 kinds I had told that day. First is energy giving food. Second is bodybuilding food. Third is protective food. So which kind of food protects us from falling ill? protective food. So protective, protect. First write protect, if, if, protective food. Clear? Next one. We should avoid eating dash food. Which food you shouldn't eat? Healthy or junk? What is the answer to it? Junk food. Junk, junk. So, junk food you should avoid eating. You should not eat. Now, one more thing I would like to tell you. When the sentence begins, the letter should be capital. First letter is capital. So, here I have written R capital, P capital. But this is in the middle of the sentence. Plants and animals. That comes in the end. We get food from plants and animals. So, write small letters here. But for rice, R and protective P should be written capital, because they come in the beginning of the sentence. Clear? Now comes the question number 2. Tick the correct answer. Tick the correct answer or option. So three options are given to you. So you have to tick the correct one. 2 are wrong and 1 is right. So let us see which is the right option to the question number 1. We should always eat healthy food, junk food or uncovered food. Which one you should eat? Tell me. Healthy, junk or uncovered? Yes, you are thinking right. Healthy food. So tick the healthy food. This one. Healthy food. Second one, vegetable that contains roughage. Vegetable that contains roughage. Tomato, carrot, brinjal. So which one is that? Yes, carrot. Carrot is the correct answer. So tick, put a tick in the second circle, carrot. Now, fruit that contains water. Which fruit has got water? Cucumber, radish or apple? Yes, cucumber is the correct answer. Can you name me one more fruit that contains water? Yes, of course, it's watermelon. Now comes the fourth one. Dash are healthy food. Which are healthy food? Chips. Are they healthy food? Burger. Are they healthy food? Or vegetables are healthy food? Yes, you are going on the right track. It's vegetables. Vegetables is the correct answer. You need to fill in the blank also. Vegetables. Write the spellings of vegetable in the given blank. Now comes the third question. Which has to be done here? See. Third question. Circle the odd one out from the given food groups. Now food groups are given here. Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. 3 kinds of food groups are given, and pictures which come under it, means food that comes under this group, is also given. So if any of the food that is not a part of this kind or this kind or this kind, you need to circle that. Which is wrongly given, that you have to circle. Now energy giving food. This is rice, this is wheat, this is fish. So fish doesn't fall under this category. So you need to circle fish. Draw a circle. I mean not circle, you have to just separate it from them. Means these two are correct answer. This is not the correct one. odd one out, you need to put a circle only. This is fish shape is not a circle, it's elliptical sort of oval. So you need to put. Now here bodybuilding food. Eggs and fish come under bodybuilding food, but fruit, orange, doesn't fall under this category. So circle it. Protective food. Protective food protect us from getting sick or ill. So these fruits and vegetables fall under this category, but this rice does not fall under this category. So circle this one. Clear? I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move on to the next page. Page number 38. D. The question is, name of some food items are given in the box. This is the box. So these food items are given here. Write the food items which we get from plants below the picture of the tree. Write the items we get from animals below the picture of the cow. Is it clear? The items which we get from plants we need to write here, and which we get from animals we need to write in these blanks. So I have written here for you food from plants: rice, mango, tomato, potato. These all options are given here. So see this. Option milk will get from animals. So I have written here under this. And food we get from plants. Here rice is given. Second is rice. Rice we get from plants. So I have written here. Third is mango. Mango we get from plants. I have written here. Fish we get from animals. So I have written fish here. Tomato. Tomato we get from plants. I have written here. Honey we get from animals. So here I have written. Potato. Potato we get from plants. So I have written here. Eggs we get from animals. So I have written this side. Clear? I hope it is clear to you. Options are given to you, and this question may come like this. Write any 4 items that we get from plants, or write any 4 food items that we get from animals. Without any option also this question can come. So learn without options also. If options are given, then the same items you need to write which are given in the option. Clear? Now see the question answers. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. This has to be done in your notebook. Question answers are to be done in the notebook. I have written only the answers. You need to write the question first, lesson number, question answers, and then you write question. Here you will write the question from the book. Why do we need food? Question number 1 is, why do we need food? So the answer is, we need food to grow. It gives us energy to work and play. It gives us energy to work and play. Next one. Name 2 items that non-vegetarians eat. Who are non-vegetarians? Who eat meat and eggs also. So you can write anything. Fish, eggs, meat. I have written 3. So you can learn any of 2 because there are only 2 items. I have written 3 because whichever are easier for you, you may write or learn those 2. Clear? Spelling mistake should not be there. That's why I have written 3. Whichever spellings you feel easy, you may write. In this, you might make a spelling mistake, MEET. So that's why it's better not to write this. You may write fish and eggs. These are easy for you to learn. Now, name the write the names of the 3 main food groups. The 3 main food groups are energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. Which are they? Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food. These are the 3 main groups. So energy spelling you have to learn thoroughly. It was there in fill up also. ENER, ener, GYG, energy, giving. You know the spelling of give. So E you have to remove. GIVING, giving. And food you know. Body, BODY, that you know you had learnt in previous chapter also this spelling. Building, build. First you write build, BUILD, build. Ing, ING, build. Ing, building. Food. And protective food, protect. First you write protect and then add IVE to it, protect. If protective food. Clear? These are the 3 main food groups. Next is name 2 dry fruits you like to eat. Which are they? They may be any of the dry fruits. Many are there. Cashew nuts, walnuts, almonds, pistachio, any of these. But whichever you like you may write. But spelling should not be wrong again. So I have written 2 whose spellings are easy for you to learn. They are almonds and walnuts. Almonds, walnuts. AL, almonds. MONDS, almonds. Walnuts. WALNUTS, walnuts. Walnuts. Now let us move on to question number 5, which is which foods are called junk food? You all know junk food, chips and all, cold drink. So, the food that is not good for our health is called junk food. For example, chips, pizza, etc. Clear? They are not going to give you any kind of energy. They are not healthy for your health. So, with this we come to the end of the chapter. And you children, please learn all this simultaneously.